Nyasaeko kapenyo dhano kara inikanye. Nyasaeko kapenyo dhano kara inikanye. Kinde magingima Yesu ni biro na.
Mondo iyud aseyudo chang kaka skiza tune mari D star 811 star 500 hash.
Biane kai, ini jambi riambo kai. Anabilo wacha dire marigi mora mitimo.
Machiegni pau tuke tokre mdonjo tuke mag piny mangima higa mar 2027. Riwruok matayo tuke agoko KRU oyango okenge mag gero tim manyien mar jotugo abich koni gi kocha The Simbas kagitiyo kod jotugo ma hikgi ok ohingo 20 manoloyo kombe mar Bats Uganda e chak jumani. Jatend KRU Thomas Odundo wacho ni ageta margi neno ni tim no oikore kendo chope rang'eny mar ng'ado otiko mar piem e tuke mag piny mangima e higa mar 2032. Tim no chano tugo tuke mag osiep mathoth mar chopo lek makama.
Led by
the fact that we didn't qualify for the World Cup, it means we don't have any fixed official assignments from World Rugby for this coming year. So we're looking towards other nations who sit like us and who need games, and that's going to be the start for us.
So basically all that falls under the director of rugby and the CEO who advise the board, where I sit on and ensure that whatever the advice that we get, we practice that. Because at the end of the day, I personally will be very happy to have these boys play in the World Cup.
The Simbas are taking us to our consumers, and we are also meaningfully appearing within the audiences that our consumers will want as a grooming partner. But I think the energy and strength of this brand and the team, because really we are investing in young talent, and that's something that we purposefully believe in, and that's why we have renewed this partnership.